Hey everybody, it's Keith Meddy with Keller Williams Chesterfield here in Ferguson. Absolutely beautiful home located right between 70 and 270 on New Florissant Road. Come out and see me tomorrow from 1 to 3 here for the open house. And let me take you on for a sneak peek on the inside. Come on with me. Hey everybody, welcome to 214 Moundale in Ferguson, Missouri. It is an open house tomorrow, Sunday from 1 to 3. Come up and see me at this place. It's an absolutely adorable, rehabbed, 2-bedroom, 1-bath home with a garage. And you'll pan right over here and look at the garage. You got a driveway, off-street parking. Come on in. Can't wait to show you the inside of this place. Check it out. As you walk in, you will see an absolutely beautiful hardwood floors, all refinished. We've got a fireplace for decorative purposes there. Plenty of light going around with windows. And then check out the dining room area here with nice big lights. And then come with me. You gotta see this because it's a totally updated kitchen. If you like to cook, you'll love this. It is a 5-burner gas stove here with an oven along with the microwave hood above. Check out the backsplash, all of the cabinetry in here, and this huge stainless steel sink. It's absolutely incredible how big and how deep this sink is. And as you turn around here, you'll see we've got the refrigerator with freezer, stainless steel all the way throughout. We've got a pantry area here for extra storage. It all comes right back down here into a 4-season sunroom. Check this room out. You talk about a place to hang out. You can set your TV up here. You can all see this. It is conditioned year-round. So you've got air conditioning and you've got heat in here. But it's just awesome bonus space for you and your family. Backyard steps out onto a patio right here. So you can do all your grilling and entertaining right outside. And then you look at the backyard, nice big trees, fenced in backyard with ready for anything, whether it's kids or pets or whatever else, with the chain link fence all the way around. So beautifully done, nice and private. And so let's go back on inside and look at the rest of the house. All right, let's go check out the bedrooms in back and check out this niche right here on the way back. Features like this you just don't see in today's homes, and they really add a touch of class to every home. As you go back into the bedrooms, you're gonna see they're 2 really good sized bedrooms with lots of closet space. This one here has hardwood floors, great windows for plenty of light, and then it has 2 closets for you to have plenty of storage in there. You'll notice hardwood floors again, plenty of light. As you walk in, you'll see it looks out over the backyard. Again, enjoying your view and your privacy the whole way. Check out this bathroom, totally updated and remodeled. Exquisite taste in how it was done. You see the tile floor, and then you see the tile, subway tile going around the shower tub. I mean, look at the detail in that. Beautiful mirror lighting up there, plenty of space to get ready. New cabinet. Check out that top. I mean, really, really a great looking bathroom. And this home has got everything updated that you'd want in the bathrooms and the kitchen. And then as we transition back here into the kitchen, this is gonna be the heart of the home. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour. I look forward to seeing you soon. Come up tomorrow between 1 and 3. Again, the address is 214 Moundale in Ferguson, Missouri. Whether you come in on 270 or whether you come in through 70 on New Florissant Road, it is perfectly located, and you'll know you are close and convenient to all the things that are essential, like Starbucks, Quick Trips, Walmarts, grocery stores, other restaurants. It is an absolutely adorable home in a beautiful neighborhood and a great opportunity for you to call someplace home. Come check it out. Look forward to seeing you soon. Give me a call. My contact information is right below. Have a great day.